Number 5. The Brother CS6000i. This versatile sewing machine is perfect for various sewing tasks, including making umbrellas. With 60 built-in stitches and a free arm, it offers the flexibility and ease of use that can help you create professional-looking umbrellas with ease. Plus, it comes with an automatic needle threader and a wide table, making it ideal for larger projects. Number 4. The Janome HD3000. Known for its heavy-duty construction, the Janome HD3000 can handle thick umbrella fabrics effortlessly. It features 18 built-in stitches and a top-loading bobbin system for convenience. The machine's powerful motor and adjustable presser foot pressure ensure smooth and consistent stitching on any material, making it a great choice for umbrella making. Number 3. The Singer 4423 Heavy Duty. This machine is a workhorse, designed to handle tough sewing jobs with ease. With a maximum sewing speed of 1,100 stitches per minute and 23 built-in stitches, the Singer 4423 is perfect for sewing umbrellas. Its stainless steel bedplate and heavy-duty metal frame provide stability and durability, ensuring your machine lasts for years. Number 2. The Juki DDL 8700. This industrial sewing machine is ideal for those who need to produce umbrellas on a larger scale. The Juki DDL 8700 offers high-speed stitching and exceptional precision, making it perfect for heavy fabrics and multiple layers. Its reliable performance and low vibration make it a favorite among professionals. And finally, number 1, the CONSO 206RB5. Renowned for its industrial strength and reliability, the CONSO 206RB5 is the top choice for sewing umbrellas. It features a walking foot mechanism that ensures even feeding of fabric, making it perfect for thick and slippery materials. With a large bobbin, adjustable stitch length, and high presser foot lift, this machine handles heavy-duty sewing projects with ease.
This is it for this video. If you want to boost your sewing business with highly effective organic marketing techniques, check out my organic marketing guide for sewers. It contains over 80 tailored strategies made specifically for sewers. And using just a few of these techniques can drastically increase your sales. The guide is only $5 and the link is in the description of this video. Thank you and see you in next one.